Good morning, everyone. This is the review for the test on Friday. Just kind of wanted to go over how to work these particular problems. You'll notice number one, you're going to have to find the calculator. I think it's probably about the 2 decimal places. To do number one, and I apologize for some of the way this is set up here, so I can get it to show up on the screen for the most part. So you can go push all these buttons to kind of help show some things. So I'm going to go to 1.45, then this little arrow button right here. I don't know if you can see me wiggling a little bit. Click. And what I'm going to do, because my calculator goes up into this part right here, all I have to put is 3, and then I have to do second pi, because that stayed up in there. Now, if you have one of the older calculators, you'll have to put that in parentheses, enter, and the answer would be 33.18 if you go to 2 decimal places. So then to do the number 2, I'm going to go 7, caret, right there, so now I'm up in there. Now I have to go second square root 1, and I'll just hit enter, and there's my answer, 635. Might be hard to see, 0.14. Let me move this one down a little bit. Can you see it there? 635.14, that's 7 square roots of 11. All right, put that answer right back there where we can't see it. We can maybe see the third one now. So to do the third one, it'll be 60, caret, and I can just do, now this one, I need to do 2, and let's try this here, times, it did it right there, 1.1. Now we'll work on all the school calculators because it sets up there in that, so the answer would be 8,164. Let's see if I can put that down just a hair more. We're doing all those right there. So let's look at, slide this over here. That's perfect. That's where I want right there. So now let's do this 25 caret. This negative right here, I don't know if you can see it barely on the screen right there. Negative 3 times, now here I'm going to put this in parentheses, 1 divided by 2, close the parentheses, that way it knows, or you can just do negative 3 halves or negative 1.5, and your answer is basically 0.08. And then to do this e to the 6th, I'm just going to come over here and I'm going to go second ln, which is my e to the x, you see an e to the x, and the x that pops up, I'm just going to go 5.3, enter, and the answer is 200.33. And so let's go down here, let's move our thing down, let's look at 6 and 7 here a second, right back up, and then 6, I'm going to do this, I'm going to go 50, second e to the x, I'm going to go 4 times, and this one I'm going to put in, I can just go 0.04, and notice if I didn't have a calculator at home, you may have to put that all in parentheses because it doesn't show it up there. Hit enter, and I end up getting 58.67, and if you round it, 6, you go to 3 decimal places, it looks like it's 3 decimal places. That's what the answers are now that I look at it. And then right here, for this one right here, the 2 negative, 2, it's not negative, 2.5, I'm going to go 2.5, second e to the x, and I can just enter, I'm going to go ahead and put this one in parentheses. I'm going to put all fractions in parentheses. Negative 2 divided by 3, close parentheses. I think it still worked it out correctly the other way, but fractions are just good to always kind of do that. Now then, let's do this right here. That's how you're going to work those first 7 problems. You just have to go to the calculator, plug it in, and hit the correct buttons.